Hello there guys and welcome to class. Teacher Krishna here. We are working on the conversation subject and this is week number 22. I'm sorry, there is a small mistake in there. It should be week 22. But anyways, let's go over our presentation. Well, let me tell you that today we're going to be talking a little bit about the general evaluation that we are going to have. And of course, we have the end in mind: perform a well-structured oral response according to international standards. All right, and what activities do you need to complete today? Well, first of all, you need to watch the video tutorial on how to use the platform Flipgrid. And of course, it is very necessary that you create an account in this platform before starting the live session. And of course, I would like you to attend the live session and participate in the evaluation activity that we are going to have. And just to let you know, usually in the general evaluation, you know that we have one-on-one sessions with you and you answer the questions, but we are going to be using this platform, which is pretty great for in fact evaluating your oral performance through videos. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. The link that you can see right over here is in the description of this tutorial, so make sure to open that tutorial and learn how to use Flipgrid. Okay, and then during the live session, I'm going to give you more information about the way you are going to be participating in the general evaluation for the topic. Okay, so by now, only watch the tutorial, experiment a little bit with the platform, and during the live session, I'm going to give you further instructions. Right, so we'll see you in class around, guys. Goodbye, and take care.